What I want you to do is get out of your own way. Get out of your own head. You think a lot of people didn't think that I was crazy? When I would rather learn a bunch of things instead of go work a job. When I would take a minimum wage job because it gave me the time to be able to be on my phone so that eventually I could leave that job and make the same amount of money that I'd make in a week or 2 weeks on my paycheck in a few hours. But a lot of people thought that I was crazy. But I put my focus into myself so that my family could live a better life, right? So that I could show them things that I might have not seen. So that I can normalize things to them that weren't normal to me growing up. And that's how it should be. The next generation should always be leveling up. So the only way they're going to level up is if they see more, right? My parents came from a small island, but what did they do? They moved to a bigger country so that I could see more and then that I could attain more. So what did I do? I started normalizing things to my children so that when they get older, they're going to be like, okay, I already did that. That's normal. These things are normal to me. These things are normal to me. What I want you to understand is that people going to think that you're crazy when you're on your journey. And that's how it's supposed to be, because everybody ain't supposed to come with you. Everybody can't come with you. Everybody ain't supposed to come with you. So you got to understand that you have a vision and you have a focus and you got to do what you got to do to obtain it. And then you can start pulling people along with you. Because if I'll never become successful, I'm never going to be able to help the next person become successful. I can never bring my brother along somewhere I can't go. So what do I need to do? I need to pave the way to get there so that I can bring them along with me. And that's the goal. If you haven't tapped into the mentorship and got your spot yet, I don't know what you're doing. You're bugging out. You need to get in, acquire these skill sets, and take your life to the next level. You need to understand how credit works and how to start leveraging it on a high level so that you can start getting time freedom. To learn how to fix your credit yourself, go to youcanfixyourcredit.com and don't forget to like and save this video.